Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell about the world's most expensive Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into it. Guys, if you are thinking about the answer as this cube, we are not even close to the world's most expensive cube. You might be also thinking about the crystal cube with Japan unbox, but it is also not the world's most expensive. I say if I hit 500k subscribers by the end of this year, I'm going to buy the $600 crystal cube. As you can see, guys, only the most expensive cube costs a whopping $1.5 million. You can now notice the reason why it costs so much. Guys, the masterpiece cube is the world's most expensive cube. Guys, it was made by a diamond cutter in 1995. Guys, it was built to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Rubik's Cube released worldwide. Guys, it was made with very valuable jewels like 18 karat gold, 22.5 karat amethyst. I'm most probably going to pronounce this wrong. 34 karat ruby and 34 karat emerald. Guys, cube is currently displayed with 35 foot tall glowing cube at the Liberty Science Center. So thank you guys for watching. If you want me to buy the $600 crystal cube, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one with another challenge.